Hi traders, what kind of a pattern setup do you think this is and how should we trade manage it? And before we do all of that, do you really think this is a valid setup? This and more in this video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and joining us and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Napan here, founder of Master the Markets, Illustrates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are on this live trading session video over here. Now let's analyze this. What kind of a setup is this? It's taken out the upper stretch line, okay? That's the first thing that it did. Then it took out the lower stretch line. And after its initial breakout is what we call this opposite stretch pattern over here. And then it retraced back, and then now it's doing a continuation primary pattern setup. Okay, so this is what it's doing at the moment. Now, for those of you who are unsure of any of these terminologies, what you can do is definitely head over to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/masterthemarkets. And over there, you can see a playlist with all these live trading videos. Let me see if I can just show that to you very shortly. Let me see that. So there you go. You can see over here the live trading series playlist that we got 175 videos. You can go under there under youtube.com/masterthemarkets. Head over to the playlist. You can find it over there. And over there, when you actually click on that, you can then see all the list of videos that we have put together. And over there, you can see all the different titles and topics and everything. Okay, so I'll leave that to you guys, just in case you're not sure of the terminologies that we're using and all of that over here. Now, after that, you can see that, okay, so we looked at the pattern setup. So this is what we call an opposite stretch and a continuation primary setup. Okay. Now that's the first thing, identify the pattern setup. The second thing is then we do the direction. Which direction are we going to take? For those of you who've been following for quite a bit now, you will know that we'll take it towards the short side, okay? Towards the short side. Now, then the third thing that we will do after we've determined the direction, the third thing is see if this is valid to take in terms of the range that it's got to perform, okay? So we're just taking it up to the range that it's going to do for the day. So let's take a look at that. So yesterday's ATR, we look at this, was 102. So we'll take 80% of that. So that is about 81 pips, isn't it? 0.8 times 100. So let me just see from the high to the low here, that's 83 pips is already done. So it's covered is 80% ATR range. Even if I hover around the daily bar over here, you can see the bar range, which you can see the indicator that was done by one of our elite members here. There was 83 pips. It's already done. Okay. So as you can see, traders, the range has already been done for the day, so therefore we would not be taking this trade. It's not a valid trade. Of course, if you want to take other opportunities, you can go and take a look at all other instruments and apply the same principles, because the way the bar is formed is the same principle on any instrument. Let it be a currency, commodity, index, name it, crypto, it doesn't matter. The fundamental principle for a bar forming will always be the same, which we have covered in the previous videos of stretch and BRO principles, which was actually originated from Toby Crable, one of the big billionaire hedge fund traders, which was also interviewed by Michael Koval in Trend Following Radio. All right, I guess that's pretty much that from me in this video. Of course, any of the concepts of putting, unsure of, go to the playlist. Or if you want to also take a look at how to build a solid, robust trading strategy, definitely go and take a look at our Trader Starter Pack. All the principles are all there for you to learn from. And it's basically 12 years of collected research with 38 years of cumulative experience taught by institutional quant traders in the Trader Starter Pack. You can find the link below this video as well. It's a 5-day video course, totally for free, highly recommended for both beginner and intermediate traders. And the advanced content is towards the end of the videos over there. All right, I guess that's pretty much that from me, traders. And as we say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.